Sometimes you just want to munch on tasty snack, and this crispy seaweed chicken and shrimp roll are exactly what you need. So savory. The combination of chicken and shrimp is very nice. Assalamualaikum, welcome to Daily Bite with Anwar. In today's video, I'm gonna make something delicious and exciting. Crispy seaweed chicken and shrimp roll. You're gonna love it, trust me. Here what you need to prepare: 200 g of fresh shrimp, 200 g of chicken meat, seaweed sheet, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of seasoning powder, chopped green onion, and 1 egg white. And for our crispy butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 egg white, 100 ml of water. First, let's clean the shrimp. Remove the head and shell. In my other video, I have shown you the tip to take out the vein. Count 4 segments from the tail and use a toothpick to remove the vein easily. Now we put all the ingredients in the grinder. Chicken meat, shrimp, white egg yolk, green onion, garlic, seasoning powder, oyster sauce, and flour. And cornstarch. Once we put everything together, we blend it until it becomes smooth like this. You also can add some veggie like carrot to make the texture nicer. We put the mixed filling into a plastic bag as if we were piping cream. Just like this. Cut the edge of the plastic like this, and we are ready to fill our seaweed. Squeeze the filling into the seaweed sheet. Doing this will make it easier for us to roll. Here I put another line to make it more packed. Then roll it up tightly like a sushi roll. Be careful, it's a little bit soft. When rolled near the end, use the cornstarch mixed with water to glue the seaweed. We then cut the roll to small pieces like this. Don't cut too small because it might spill out. Time to prepare our crispy butter. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 white egg yolk, and 100 ml of water. Then we mix it until smooth. Heat up some oil in a frying pan over medium heat. While the oil is heating, dip each mini seaweed roll into the butter, making sure it's fully coated. Carefully place the rolls in the hot oil. Fry them until they are golden and crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Remember to flip them to make sure they are not overcooked. You can see how golden they are. They look very yummy. Yum yum. You can cook it for the second time to make it crispier. Now for the best part, plating and tasting. These crispy seaweed rolls are perfect with mayo chili sauce or with your favorite dipping sauce. I love to eat it with mayo chili sauce. Here I make my dipping sauce with 3 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Simple, but it goes well with all fried dish. Here you are, crispy seaweed chicken shrimp roll. These rolls are crispy, flavorful and easy to make. Plus, they combine the deliciousness of chicken, shrimp and seaweed all in one bite. You can hear how crispy it sounds. These crispy seaweed chicken shrimp roll are the perfect snack when you are craving something delicious and a little bit different. Now let's try it. We dip it with our sauce. So savory. The combination of chicken and shrimp is very nice. You got to try this at home. So crispy. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you won't missing out any new recipe. If you have any question or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.